Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Budgy app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Budgy. There you can see Budgy Daily Budget Planner app. Press on it. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the Budgy app and enjoy using Budgy for your daily budget tracking and money managing. This was for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.